Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.4, Problem 29. This is Section 3.4, Problem 29. It says there are 39.37 inches in a meter, and this is really true. If Kathleen is 1.65 meters tall, how tall is she in inches? So 1.65 meters is a pretty normal height. That's a common height for people. What would it be in inches? So what you'd have to do is multiply. So 1 meter has 39.37. So if this person is 1 meter tall, they'd be 39.37 inches tall, but they're more than 1.5 meters. So you have to multiply these. It would be 39.37 times 1.65. Now again, if you have a calculator that you can use, you can just enter it in your calculator, hit equals, and you'll get the answer right away. Where we're not supposed to use a calculator for these, I'll write it vertically to do the computation. So 39.37 times 1.65. So initially what you do is just ignore the decimals, pretend they're not even there. Multiply 3,937 times 165. It's going to be a big, big number. But then when you put the decimals back in, it'll get to be a more sensible size. So multiply. 5 times 7 is 35. For 35, write the 5, carry the 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus the 3 more that we carried is 18. For 18, write the 8, carry the 1. Next, 5 times 9 is 45. 45 plus the 1 more that we carried is 46. For 46, write the 6, carry the 4. Now, 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus the 4 that we carried is 19. So that takes care of the 5. Now, go down a row, start with a 0 to hold your position, and multiply 6 times everything. So 6 times 7 is 42. So for 42, write the 2, carry the 4. Now, 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus the 4 that we carried is 22. For 22, write the 2, carry the other 2 to the top of the next column. 6 times 9 is 54. 54 plus the 2 that we carried is 56. For 56, write the 6, carry the 5. So now, 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus the 5 that we carried is 23. So that takes care of the 6. Now the next row down, you start with 2 zeros to hold your position. Then the 1 will be easier. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 3 is 3. Now I can add my results together. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 0 is still 10. So for 10, I put the 0, carry the 1. Now 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. So for 16, write the 6, carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. For 19, write the 9, carry the 1. So now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. For 14, write the 4, carry the 1. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 more is 6. And without the decimal, it would be 649,605. But where does the decimal point go? So at this point, go to the question. How many places after the decimal are there in the question altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places after the decimal in the question. We need the same number of places after the decimal, in this case 4, in my answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The decimal point will go between the 4 and the 9, giving me an answer of 64.9605. Now again, I can't leave just a number because it's an application question that has units of measure. So the height was given in meters. We did the multiplication. That means we're going to be getting our answer in inches. So the answer is 64.9605 inches. That is the height in inches. Almost 65 inches tall.